Alright, well there's no doubt it's going to be a bit of a challenge to get all those stains out, and I am definitely going to need my respirator today as the whole vehicle just reeks of cigarette smoke. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, well just before I get started, I'm going ahead and running the ozone machine to try and knock down some of the smoke smell, and I'll run it again when I'm done the detail, but starting on pressure washing now, and like you saw in the opening, there's a number of spots on the car where the body panels are rusting, so I'm going to need to be extra careful around those today so I don't make them any worse. Okay, with the floor mats clean, I'll quickly get the seats removed after disconnecting the battery so I don't have any issues with the vehicle throwing a code, and I'll also get the back seat removed as well, and then looking at what's underneath them all, and it's safe to say the extracting is going to be good later on. Working my way around with the vacuum, and you can probably already tell that there hasn't been much for debris in the vehicle, which is a really nice change of pace. Plus, with the vehicle being older, it's got better quality carpet, which also makes the vacuuming process much easier as well. Okay, well starting on extracting now, and as usual, I'm starting with the seats since I know they'll need the most amount of time to dry out afterwards, and given how visually dirty they are, I'm opting for my medium green drill brush today, as I just have a feeling I'm going to need a bit more agitating ability around the entire vehicle to get these stains lifted. Here's the 2 entire buckets full of all the nasty stains pulled from the Grand Am. I haven't seen a water pour this filthy for a while. Gross. Moving to the console, and after spraying on some Detail Geek APC diluted 10:1, I'll blast everything with the steamer, which is going to make quick work of all the grime, especially down in the crevices where it can be hard to reach. The steam basically just blasts everything out, so if any of you are in the market for one of the best tools a detailer can have, well, I've got the link to it down in the description, so feel free to give it a look. Not only can it be used for your vehicle, it also comes with a mop attachment for steam cleaning floors in your house, so it's incredibly versatile. Now to breathe some life back into this faded and dull paint, I'm using my Detail Geek synthetic paint sealant, which will boost the depth and gloss and leave it protected for about 6 months. But what I love most about the sealant is how easy it is to wipe off once it's hazed over.